Hi children, good morning everyone. How are you children? I hope all of you safe at home. Are you reading children? Already in previous class, what is that previous class already explained safety now. So in that lesson, you should read at home that lesson up to page number 463. 63 you should read children. That lesson already I told now. Are you read children? Are you read that lesson? I hope all of you read that textbook. And now another part safety lesson, and this is the another part 2. This is the part 2 children. Okay, safety on the road already I explained. Now I am going to explain safety in the school. This is the part 2. Listen carefully. Okay, already already I wrote some points here children. Some members in the schools fighting with others. Some students behavior not good in the school. So that only I'm telling children. So listen carefully. Some children fighting with others, and some children not eating properly in the lunch time, and going washroom, going and coming. So in the washroom also some children fighting with others. So some children using what is that bad words like. So these things very bad children. Okay, that's why I'm telling. Listen carefully these points. Whatever I'm telling, these points keep in your mind. Okay, here first is that do not stand on the desk children. In the class teacher is there, but some children playing with others, not listening teacher lessons. Some children last playing with others, fighting with others, and standing on the desks, and roaming in the class. Whenever teacher, if teacher not there, means what will do children in the class? Should open textbooks and what are they doing on the time? You should read textbook and any work you should do on that time. But don't beat others, don't play with others, don't fight with others. That is the good manner children. Okay, but some children whenever teacher if not there in the class, so on that time some children fighting with others and playing in the class only, some children. So that is the not good children. Good man means what? Always open the books and doing your works. So like you should do in the class. Okay, don't do that like. So some children standing on the desk. So do not stand on the desk and do not run around in the classroom. Some children already I don't know, some children playing in the class only, roaming here and there around in the class. Some children, so not good children. Here do not run around in the class. That is the good manner children. And next, do not enter labs. Labs are there, but you don't know that labs. So without permission, principal or teacher, without permission, you don't go in labs. Okay children, don't go. Do not enter in labs without teacher permission. Okay, do not hit others, don't beat others. Some children fight every time, fighting with others children. Some children, so that is the not good. In the class, whenever teacher class completed, after teacher going outside, so on the time what should do children? What to do on that time? You should open and you should complete your works. Whatever given teacher homeworks, so you should complete that works. Okay, don't beat others. You should walk in the line while using stairs. Staircases are there, na children, steps. You coming and going washrooms, you coming and going on the steps, whenever going washrooms. So you using staircases, no that's why I'm telling what is that, children. You, whenever you walking on the staircases, you should walk properly on staircases. Otherwise, what happen, children? You fall down. So that's why you should, at home also staircases are there, and in the school also staircases are there. So you should walk on, whenever you walk on the staircases, you should walk properly on the staircases. Okay. Next, if you do not, you or someone else might fall and get hurt. Yes. You, for example, you not properly walking now on the staircases now. So front anybody is there and back side anybody is there. So that fellows and falling down now. So that's why you should walk on the staircases properly. And never fight with other children. Other children are there in the classrooms. So don't fight with others. That is the not good. Don't fight. So if you fighting means, what will do next, children? They are get hurt now. So don't fight. Don't beating with others. And next, children, never fight with others. Corridors are there, no, children. In our schools, corridors are there, no. Some children running very fast, running in the corridors. That is good, na? That is good? No. That is the not good. Some children running fast, coming whenever coming washroom, coming and going, no. So on that time in the corridor, some children running very fast. So on that time you fasting means what? Next you fall down. So that is the not good. Don't never run in the corridors. Never go to terrace. Terrace is there, na? So don't go that side. And buildings without supervision. Never play near water tank. Where it is their water tank? Up is their roof. Sorry, on the buildings, up is their water tank. So don't go near to water tank. That is the too dangerous. You lonely, you alone, don't go near to water tank. And next, near throw. Some children in the class, what are doing? Papers are there. That papers are throwing on each other children. That is correct way, na? No. Some children is doing like that. Why? I can't understand. So this is the not good children. Some children any things are there, that things throwing on each other. So that is the not good. Don't throw anything and papers, anything. Don't throw on each other. Okay. Never play with sharp objects. In the classrooms, some children playing with sharp objects. Sharp objects are there in the class. What is that, children? Pencil is there. Pen is there. Pen is there, children. So pen sharp, last sharp is there, na? And pencil also you sharpening no, with sharpener, no? So don't play with that sharp objects, pencil, pen, and next what is that, blades. Some children bringing from houses, bringing what is that, scissors and blades. Some children bringing that. Don't bring that type of objects to schools. Okay, children. And don't play with sharp objects like pencils, pen, like these objects. Don't play with that objects. And next, don't enter the, already I told you, do not enter in labs. Okay, without teacher permission, do not enter in labs. And next, never get into running bus. Some children very fast, running very fast and get into a bus. That is good, na? No. Whenever using bus on the time also, you should walk in, you should stand in the line only. Okay, on the time you line not there, your line not there on the time, what will do children? You fall down. So that's why never get into running bus. Bus is the running, bus is the running. So on the time you climbing the bus, so on the time what will do children? You fall down. So that is the not good children. Never get out of a running bus. For student, some children coming outside, running bus whenever coming buses are there na, buses are moving, buses here and there moving, but some children whenever moving bus, on the time only coming outside, on the time only getting in bus. So that is the not good children. Bus stop, bus is the total stopping after you get into outside. Okay, you always walk in the line only. After get into outside, and after get into bus, you use walk on in line only. And never keep your hands and heads. So some children are playing in buses, children, school buses are there na? So in that school buses, some children playing in that. So that is the not good. And hands also keeping outside, heads also keeping outside and seeing in the bus. So that is the not good. So on that time what will do? Something some happening. So that's why you sit whenever you going in the bus. On the time you should sit properly, and your hands and head don't keep outside, children. You sit properly in the bus. Okay, so many children playing in bus, school bus. So many children playing using bad words. That is the not good children. Are you bad boys now? Are you bad students now? No, you are a good students. So that's why you should follow good manners. You should follow good manners. That's why I am telling children. Okay, these points is keep in your mind. Next, don't keep your hands and heads. Don't keep bus outside. Bus windows are there na? In that windows, don't keep outside hands and heads. And board the bus only at bus stop. Yes. Whenever you going to another place, bus stops are there. Okay, bus coming to bus stop. So on the bus stop only you get into down. Okay, do not moving, but some children in the buses you playing in the buses, not sitting properly in the buses. So that is the not good children. Already I told now, these points keep in your mind. And do not accept any eatable from strangers in bus. Yes, in buses, for example, you going another way, children, another place. You want going to another place. So in the buses, so many strangers are there. In the private buses are there, na? So in the private buses, so many strangers are there. So that strangers given some things for you. Biscuits and some snacks giving for you. So don't take that things, children, from strangers. Why? Because sometimes that is very dangerous. Okay, don't take that type of snacks. So anyone snacks or anyone don't take from others. That is the very dangerous, children. Okay, these points first you should write in your notes, children. Whatever I am telling points, these points should write your rough book or any book. You should write these points. After I will ask, these points should send in my WhatsApp. Okay, these points whenever I am asking, So on that time you should post it in my WhatsApp these points. Whatever I'm telling, not these points. So many points already I don't know now. So I'm asking. Whenever I'm asking, you should post it. This what is this points? So that's why these points note down your notebooks. Okay. Again, I will explain children here. This is the good manners. How to in the class, how to behavior, your behavior, you using, how to using your behavior in the class. These points keep in your mind. First, do not stand on the desk. Yes, this is the good manner. Some children are playing, standing in the desks and playing with others. No? So that is not good. Do not stand on the desk. And second one is that do not run around in the classroom. Yes, some children are here and there roaming in the class. No, so that's why do not run around in the classroom. And first, classroom is very neatly. You should keep your classroom very neatly, children. Some children's papers and some things throwing in the classrooms only. So don't do like that. And your classrooms always keep your neatly. Keep neatly your classrooms. Okay. Do not enter labs without teacher permission. Do not hit others and do not beat others. Why? Because that other students also, your friends know, in your classrooms all members are there. So all members, all students also your friends know. So don't beat your friends, children. Okay. You should walk in the line. Whenever you going to here and there, and you should walk in the line only while using staircases. Stairs also sometimes using every time. Yeah, whenever you come to school on the time, you should use the staircases. No, in the houses also staircases are there. So whenever you climb the stairs on the time, you should walk properly on staircases. Otherwise, you fall down. Yes. If you do not, you or someone else might fall and yes, get hurt. And never fight with others. Yes. Never fight. Why? Because that side your children also your friends, na? So don't beat with others. Never fight with others. If you fight with others, so that is good, na? That is the bad habit. You fighting with others, you always beating with others, so that is good, na? That is the bad habit. You good, so your students always good. Okay, these good habits, whatever I am telling, these good habits keep in your mind, children. Okay, keep in your mind. So keep in your mind after you follow these points, children. Okay, rules. Already I told know these points, keep in your mind, and I hope all of you understood these points. Whatever I am telling, I hope all of you understood, and you should write in your notebook. Thank you so much, children. After I will ask these points. Okay, you should practice at home, and you write in your notebook. Thank you so much, children.